what we bought earlier. Well, the power is back on in our room. Now this air conditioning, we finally got back, so.
Why?
Spicy? Spicy?
Yeah.
That's what we got bought at the night market with every little thing. You know, we ate the sticky rice earlier with this egg omelet they grill. And now this is all mystery. Spicy?
Stop.
This is chicken feet. Chicken feet. Let's try it.
How is it?
Pretty good. Kind of soft, curly, crunchy, spicy. Good. I guess this is rice noodle. Just right. Tastes like cartilage. Hot dog. Little. Look like Vienna sausage. Oh, it's better than a regular American hot dog. It's crunchy. The outer casing is crunchy. I guess it's made with real intestine for casing. Okay, what else? What is this? Seaweed? What's this? What's this? What's this? What is it?
Crab.
Vegetable?
Yeah.
Well, some kind of shoot vegetable like. Pretty good. The sauce is salty and spicy. Enoki mushroom. Tofu skin. Yep. Look like some other kind of mushroom. Don't know. No. Crunchy, tastes like meat.
Egg.
Barbecue egg. Those are parachuting stuff. Where? There it is. I guess we'll try that tomorrow. We'll try the parachuting tomorrow for an hour. How much for an hour? 1 million for 1 hour?
Yeah.
So $1 million each, so about $45, $50 each for an hour parachuting. Okay, egg omelet. Not bad. Just like an omelet. What's this? What's it? More sauce.
Yeah, I like.
Some kind of. Ugh, that's like some kind of noodle, but it's a little crunchy. Some kind of noodle. More vegetable. That's seaweed. It's like seaweed, right? Seaweed. Yeah, seaweed. 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 Yep. Seaweed. They have this unknown flavor Fanta here. Tastes like melon. Oishi green tea.
โอ้ยชีอะไรกิน
Oishi.
Now market open.
Night market open now? I guess the night market's over there, all open now. Ooh, spicy. Okay, what else? I'll try everything. Okay, I didn't try the enoki mushroom. The enoki mushroom. Pretty good. Tastes like mushroom, but a crunchy version. Big old chicken feet. More cartilage and skin. More mushroom. Hot dog. Got a kick to it. Ooh. Yeah, more mushroom. Okay, I guess I try everything. My favorite? Which one your favorite? Which one? What's your favorite?
ยำจีน
Which one you like the best? You like the most?
อะไร
Like the crunchy noodle? Me? Maybe... Oh, I didn't try this yet. This is like a chai. Let me try it. Good. My favorite probably the seaweed. Seaweed? Yep. My favorite here. The crunchy seaweed. Ooh, that's spicy. Next is probably, believe it or not, the chicken feet. Soft, crunchy, buttery. Here we go. Say bye.